cheat because una flirt. You understand? Una start torment them and them una need to welcome to my new intro.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something great.
Good night, good evening, good morning to everybody. Welcome to another video. Welcome to my channel. So yes guys, it's been a while, right? It's been a while since y'all see me like this. But yes, people, today I'm come to talk. I come to talk. So yes guys, I just come to give some positive vibes to you guys, some positive speech, everything positive. You understand? Let's start off by saying a big thanks to all of you guys who are watching this video, and even who did not make it to this video. You understand? Couldn't have done it without you guys in the first place. No, I could not. So yes, we're gonna talk about relationship, signs in a bad relationship. So guys, how do you know when you see a red flag in a relationship? What signs do you see? I'm gonna give you some tips on that since I've been in bad relationship and I'm in a good one now. I'm not gonna say a perfect one because nothing is perfect, right? Nothing is perfect. Guys, even though sometimes we can be wrong, but sometimes we are correct, we're right. So, looking for a red flag. Watch a girl wear red, so red flags in a relationship. Red flag. You see, every time when I see my partner, they turn down them phone on the face. They have them phone and they turn down on the phone. Red flag. That's red flag number 1. Once you see the partner, they turn the phone down every minute. That's a red flag. Number 2. Yeah, number 2. If you have your partner and every time you say, babes, let me see your phone. Let me look for something. Let me search for something on your phone or something. And him cannot give you the phone. Like you want to use him phone for internet purpose or stuff like that. Because your phone might dead or something. And him refuse to give you the phone. Something in the phone. Red flag. And don't come for me. Don't tell me say I don't say it go. Because I don't know say I say it go. Something in the phone. Red flag number 3. You have your husband or your man live here. But not talk about no girlfriend and boyfriend who one live east and one live south. I talk about when live together. You understand? But if you have a baby mother, girlfriend, boyfriend, whatever you want to call it, and you don't know the password, that means you want to know the password because you want to go in at the phone. But me not know your password? Red flag. Why me can't know your password? If you don't have nothing to hide, why can't I know your password? Forget about this, guys. If you don't have nothing to hide, why me can't know your password? Don't play me. Don't play with me. Red flag. Number 4. One thing I say. Question number 4. If you used to always want to take you out, but all of a sudden, every minute they want to go out with them boys, them. Oh, it's never bridging them. It's just a man flex. You understand? But you used to always go out. You know, everything was fine. Till all of a sudden, you don't want it to go nowhere with him no more. His boy flex and him start find all kind of excuse just finna take you with him. Red flag. Red flag. Don't play with me. Do not play with me. I want to be a handbag, I want to be a purse, I want to be a wallet, I want to be anything for you. Anything. Once you're not working and you go somewhere, I must say, I want to come. Yes, and people, I give my man space. So I don't come for me, so I clear the ear. But yeah, but nobody feel like I can do them something there. You see me? I'm going to laugh when I watch this still, no, but I don't care. Next one is, him used to love. Him love the people meat, you know? The boy love the people meat. The boy love the people meat. And all of a sudden, you realize sex a cut back. Sex a cut back. When you used to have to run from him, it's like him a run from you. And don't tell me say you're tired of me. Because you used to it. I don't want to hear none. You don't come say this to me. Don't tell me say maybe the boy tired or something like that. You must know the man over the years. And even if them body a change, you know, gonna just change bloop, just drop boop. No, it's not gonna do that. So don't come for me. Him used to always want sex at 2 times a day. And when you look at 2 times a week, you get it? Come on, guys, red flag. Somebody out there to share that. Yeah? So him no wanna people meat. I wish girl have the best people meat. I wish girl have the best people meat. Condensed milk. Condensed milk. My something sweet like condensed milk. Condensed milk. Condensed milk. Good underneath to the condensed milk. Yes. Once you see the boy, they come to find bad people in the condensed milk. Worse when you know the condensed milk tastes good. Once you know that it tastes good. And in my family of fast, I drink up your pineapple juice and then something. Listen to me. Somebody else will share it. Somebody else will share it. Next red flag is every time I go, oh, this person is my cousin. This person is my this. Oh, I'm gonna meet my cousin, you know. Everybody telling cousin. Careful of them cousin there. Careful of them cousin there where them have this 1 million cousin. I never see them run none of the round them mother or none of the real family member them where you know. Careful of them pop up cousin there. A son of man though. Yeah. Enough woman do to it, you know. But me to talk about man now. A man me I talk about. Careful people of them heap a cousin there. On a man I come up with and I say, I'm a cousin this. I go check my cousin. I see them come with a girl and say, oh, I'm a cousin and everything a cousin. I say, oh yes, yeah, and cousin turn good friend. That time you don't know say, and you and your mate a par. Are you and your mate? Remember my ex used to have urban up in the house, you know. Remember my ex used to have girl where my so-called friend in the house, you know. And me I laugh up with girl, you know. And things a girl a friend that time the girl have a whole heap of ants in my milk. I said the girl have a whole heap of ants in my milk. Whole heap of ants in my milk. That was when I was living in Trinidad. So let me clear the ear. Yeah, whole heap of ants in my milk. So people, watch out for the red flags. Be smart. You understand? I'm not want to come for me because my opinion may not be the same as yours, but I stand for my opinion, and what means it must stand for. Yes, it must stand for. I don't care what you want to say or you want to say, but what me say is what me want to say. You understand? Next thing is, guys, when you see the boy used to come home every time, he used to come home certain time from work, and all of a sudden he might talk about, oh, you know, some have this I work for do, and I end up having work late because my supervisor they cuss. Listen to me, people. The supervisor can't force you to work over your time. No law no go so. The supervisor can't force you to work over your time. It's up to you. Them ask you, when them ask you super nice, it's up to you if you want to stay back and work. And all of a sudden, every time I be a late night shift, And oh, me have to work this time, I have to work that time there. And all of us, red flag. The next one is, every time he used to get day off on a Tuesday, all of a sudden him start saying I work 7 days a week. 7 days a week. The boy not have no more day off again. You know? Boy, you gotta work. And you gotta work. Lie. Most of the time, it can be sometime them are working, but most of the time nothing I go so. And them day off them use to go to the side girl. Yeah. Them day off, them use to go to the side girl. And next thing is what I'm going to tell you now. I don't talk about the red flag. I'm going to go to the next thing. Well, still a red flag. You the data boy, you have your place and him have him place. You understand? You have your house, him have him house. Don't make no blood clip boy tell us say you can't sleep over or find fault for tell you and him always want to come at your house. No. Try to go to film house and pick some different time for one go him house. Now when film time, listen, if me and your woman I'm supposed to can come over your yard anytime. You understand? I'm supposed to can come over your yard anytime. And listen to me, I'm selecting up people. You see, if me just meet a boy, thank God me now in a relationship for a couple of years now. Thank you, Jesus. You see, if me just meet a boy, I'm going to go in my yard. Me very tricky because the boy not take down now something for no girl and hide them away. The boy not take down and hide them woman them stuff them. And come trick me and make me feel like say yeah me I don't wanna have me in house when him woman there work. Because me tell you something, you see enough people in America, it have the man work at night and the woman work a day. And the two of them day off to buck up. I saw enough people life over here. Some of them, one of them work at night and one work at day. They not get no time for them one another. So the boy or the woman can have a full relationship and none of the party don't know. You see me? If me just to meet a boy, I'm going to me first time I drop my phone. Come I look under bed to see if me see nothing. I drop it and sweep it under bed. Yeah, I do that. Yeah, babes, when I watch you go see it, that me do it first time I come here yard. Drop it, look under bed, come on see if you talk with nothing and hide nothing under there. I want to see if you hide nothing under the bed. Yes. That the man will take down the stuff them and hide them. Then we hurry up and oh she coming. Them take down the picture frame them in the house for the woman. Yeah, I saw some of them boys say them dangerous. Think, be smart, female, and not make them boy outsmart, so no. You understand? Not make them outsmart, you know. And next thing too, them a look every time them a talk about say them in a complicated relationship, this, that, or them live in a house with woman and them live in a house with woman and things complicated and them sleep in a different room from woman. Careful. Once the two of them live under the same roof, be careful. Do not go in all in it. Have 1 foot in and 1 foot out. Because if you have 1 foot in and 1 foot out, always do that. Have 1 foot in and 1 foot out. You see me? Don't say, I never tell them, you know. Don't be tricked, fooled, or played by these niggas. You understand? Yeah, when I say nigga, you know I mean in a disrespectful way. You see me? Don't be fooled by these guys, okay? Have 1 foot in and 1 foot out. Because listen, even if it's a situation where, because that happened in a real in here in America, where people will separate, like husband and wife will separate, but them still under the one roof. Well, if me have my rotted place, even if me not decide to move it in fully, you better come stay over my yard, come and sleep over there at night time. You and your woman not there. Why every minute you want broke your neck to go over there? Oh, and then next thing is them use the kids them for excuse everything. Oh, I'm kids. We gotta go bring the kids here. We're gonna no, it's not. We're gonna bring the kids there. You're going out with your family. Don't make them use the kids as the pass. We're gonna bring the kids here. It's a lie. Nothing no go so. A lie them a deal. Nothing no go so. Them not bring no. The family I go out. It's a family going out. It's not no me I bring the kids go there so. You know, so me I bring the kids go there so but them mother come lie a one big happy family I got. Don't make them trick on the people. You see me? Don't make them trick on you. So anyway guys, I hope you guys learned something from this video. It's fun for me to do this. You understand? It's actually fun for me to do it. But I know a lot of people might say, what is she talking about and stuff like that. But I know what I talk about. Yeah, I'm a chat bad. I know something chat bad. I don't care about that. Yeah. What she talk about? I wish I said make sense. I rate it here, blah blah blah. But yes, it makes sense to me, and I know somebody's gonna learn something from this and look into the. I'm not telling myself I got time at the man, them, you know. I'm not telling myself I got time at the man, them. Next thing, female, before I end the video, this just come to me right before I end. Right before I end, this just come to me. One of female, wanna have no good man. Wanna have no good, nice, clean man. And because I know so now flirt and not the wrongs, a road and not the wrongs. Another time the man them say them a cheat because una flirt. You understand? Una start torment the man them. Una need to stop it. Stop torment the man them and say them a cheat when they don't have no problem and no, don't have nothing. Say them a do nothing wrong. Sometimes I wanna send the man them go cheat. So no say, but not tell you this, you know. You see a lot of time on the time and the man them and tell them say them a cheat. Them just go cheat because they must listen to me. If I don't cheat, she say me a cheat. So best thing me go do a cheat. Because when me not cheat, she say me a cheat. You know best me cheat and done? Use on the brain. Remember niggas think with them dick. Man think with them wood, them not think with them brain. Most man think with them wood, them not think with them brain. Yeah. When I come bite me, I come for me. I don't want to come for me, you know. What the business? When I go so Lord Jesus, curry. So anyway, guys, big up on yourself. You know, it's all about love. And guys, this is what I want y'all to do for me. I want y'all to do this for me. I want one of you run over Via's Kitchen and Lifestyle. Yeah, my sister channel. Yeah, I'm here to tell you and you. Now, by the time I say you go over our channel, you know, and you know go over there. You still not go over there? What are you waiting for to go over there? I want to run go over the channel here right now. And the link there in the description. Just leave this here and run go over there. You understand? And go subscribe to the channel if you're not subscribed yet. And make sure you know say Life with Curry Good as said. And yes, for those who don't know, that's my sister and that's my blood sister. So where I wait for you still? Where you still watch me premiere? Why are you still watching the premiere? Go on over there, right over here. So and go check out the channel. You understand? And anyway, I want to shout out all my members. Big up myself, big up all the member them. Big up on yourself, big up on yourself. Thank you guys for the continuous support. Guys, I appreciate the support. And yes, I do. I did appreciate the support. Love you guys. I am out.